Okay. So that's the
Hmm.
reason we have taken total marks as 0, because marks at least starts from 0. Highest marks
Yeah.
can be 0, but negative can't be
Yeah.
possible. Okay. So I have taken
Okay.
it as
Got
a
it.
-1 because some of the
Yeah.
student may get 1 as a highest mark.
Yeah.
Correct. So we can't go to
Yeah.
the 1 because some student get 0 also. So that's why we have
Yeah.
taken highest mark as -1 and total mark as
Got
a
it.
0. Clear?
Got it.
Now for exam 1 to 8, what I said, we have to run the loop for this 8 examination also. Right?
Yeah.
So for that, for in the for loop, because the students are what? From 1 to 30,000.
3,000. Yeah. Got it.
Right? Inside that for loop, alignment is very important, beta. Why it is very important? If you are doing this program in your
Yeah.
Python programming, because this pseudocode is we will run in the Python programming also.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't have the Python programming language, but the same language you are writing it in the English. That is in the form of a pseudocode. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the total marks is equals to 0. Inside that, alignment is very important. For loop we are running from 1 to 8 because there are 8 examinations are there. Then we have
Yeah.
to initialize we have to initialize input as the marks. So that's why
Yeah.
we have
Got it.
inputted that what? Our marks. Okay. Then
Hmm.
we have to find out what average. Here it is written
Yeah.
what average. So average is equals to what? Your total marks divided by what?
By the number of subjects.
Correct.
Yeah.
So to find out the total marks, we are adding what? Total mark plus mark. Whatever the mark you have initialized here.
Yeah. Got
And
it.
this loop will continue up till it will complete to 8.
All subjects. All subjects.
That is 8 subjects. Unless and until
Yeah.
the loop will continue. If you have entered here 50 for first
Yeah.
subject. Okay, now Neil. So total mark
Yeah.
is what? 0 plus 50. So your new
Got that.
total
Yeah.
mark is what? 50. Then again
Yeah.
you have initialized for second subject. Suppose
Yeah.
60. So 50 plus 60 it will be.
Got it.
Okay. So now your new total is what? 110. 110.
Yeah.
Again you got how much? Suppose 40. So
Yeah.
in
Then we just add
that,
40 to the original 50.
not original 50. Now your new topic,
60.
new marks
Yeah.
is what? 110 now.
Yeah. So the
Now your
110 plus
total mark,
40. So 150.
Hanji, Hanji.
Yeah.
Is this clear?
Got it.
Got
Yeah.
it? Now, whatever, because we have to find out the highest mark also. Whatever marks, if whatever marks
Hmm.
I scored, okay, that mark is greater than highest mark,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Highest mark is
That's the
how much?
highest. Yeah.
-1. Highest mark
Yeah.
is how much? -1. If I
Yeah.
got, suppose 200 is greater than -1,
Hmm.
then 200 will be what my highest marks.
Yeah. Got it. Because then it's the
So
highest
my
value in there.
highest mark is equals to what? 200.
Yeah.
Now
Got it.
understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Then next means what?
We have to get average also.
Average
Yeah.
also.
Next is ending the loop. Yeah.
Ending the loop. So next is what? Our average mark is equals to total marks by 8 because we have
Yeah.
8 subjects. Then output A average, and then we have to go next because we have to give the output of highest mark also, right? The third
Yeah.
option is what? Output of the highest mark overall. So output highest mark. Highest mark is what? Our here marks whatever I have obtained it.
Yeah. Got it.
Is this clear?
Yeah. Completely.
No doubt?
No. No doubts.
Write it down. Written?
Yeah. I've written it down.
Very good.
One
Now,
just write the last line.
okay, fine. Write the last line.
Done.
Now, suppose if we are writing
Yeah.
in an array form, okay, if I want to write it in the array form, Then how we have to write? Suppose if my question is, I'm taking one of the question. Wait a second, I'm making a thick. Write a program. Okay. In Neil is the name of my array. Okay. Fine. That chose 10 numbers. Understood? Neil is the name of an array that stores 10 numbers. So how we will run this? Normally, in a, what you can say, in a pseudocode, basic pseudocode. I'm not writing for loop. I'm not writing any of the loop. Okay. I am
Yes, ma'am.
taking any for loop or if loop as a dim. Dim or whatever name you can say. Okay.
Yeah.
Here I have written dim. Fine. Now, what is my array name? Neil,
Yeah.
right? Array name is Neil. How many numbers are stored? 10. See here. In a for loop or any of the loop, if you have you studied this Python programming language?
No, we've only done pseudocode.
No, in the extra, maybe you have studied.
No, we didn't do any languages, like just pseudocode.
No, होता है ना कि that we are studying any other as a extracurricular activities also. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Suppose if I have to write the table of 2. Before doing this,
Yeah.
first understand what is for loop. Otherwise, it will create an issue for you.
Yeah.
If you are writing, suppose you have to write table of 2. So we will write for I in range. 2 is my starting because 2, 4, 6 up till 20. Right?
Yeah.
Ending will be 21, not 20. Because in for loop, it is going one step ahead. Sorry, before. Okay, back. If it is 21, it means index will stop up till 20.
Okay. So it's
And
one loop before the final digit.
Why it is so? This 2, 20. Suppose here I am here. Here it is how many numbers? 10 numbers are there.
Yeah.
Then we have to write up till 9 here. Clear? As this is what number. So you have to write integer as integer.
Yeah.
Integer will show you your data type. You know what is data type?
Yeah. Data types is like so we have characters, all everything.
How many data types are there?
It's in my notes, not working. Sorry, I forgot.
It's very easy to remember. Neil, see here.
Yeah.
It's very easy to remember. Data type, wait for data type, just a sec. First of all, I have to complete this. Okay, I'm in the flow of this, but I will teach you data type also. It's very easy. For I in range 2, 21, and how many steps we are jumping? 2 steps we are jumping in 2 table.
Yeah.
So I will write 2. And then colon. See here. Here, what I said that your alignment should be proper. In the same alignment, you have to write. Why? Because while writing for I in range 2, 21, 2, your cursor automatically comes here. This alignment.
Yeah.
Understand? This part is clear. That's the reason while writing pseudocode also, you don't have to write in a like a Ramayana. not in the line.
Yeah.
You have to change the alignment.
Yeah. For like a
Okay?
different line of code. Got it.
You have to shift it.
Mm.
Okay? Because in
And
this
data types
syllabus
is
here,
character, integer, and variable, all of those things, right?
is that
Yeah, sorry, I forgot. Now it's refreshed.
there are so many data types, not so many, there are
Yeah,
actually 5 data types are there. Okay?
yeah.
In your syllabus, there is only 2 data types are there.
Yeah, like we had float, I think we had float, integer,
That all
character,
comes
and
under
then
the
we had
number.
string.
That all
Okay,
comes under the car number. See, I'm teaching
okay.
you that one also. Okay, first
Hmm,
focus here. So this part
hmm,
is clear why I have written 9. We are going one step before.
hmm,
If we have to take 10 numbers, it means here it should have to be 11 and here we can write 10.
hmm.
Clear? Any doubt?
Yeah, so it's going to 11, so we'll write 10 because one less than the value.
Why it is this? Because we know
Yeah,
that our all the numbers are storing in a form of a what memory that is valued is as a index. Just like
yeah,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So indexing starts. Your index is also important in your syllabus is also in your syllabus index is also there. Okay.
yeah,
Just like if you go from left to right, your index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this.
yeah.
Okay. Just like 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can
Yeah,
see there are how many numbers are there? 9 number, na?
9. Yeah,
That's the reason we have written here what? 9. Now understood?
got it. Yeah. The
Clear?
number of values entered basically, got it.
And if we go from here, that is from right to left, it will be
Hmm.
-1, -2, -3, -4,
Yeah,
-5,
got it.
-6. Understood?
Hmm. Yeah, got it.
But cursor is never going from right to left. Cursor always goes from left to right. If we
Okay.
have to go, if we have to run our cursor from right to left, then our code automatically change. It will become for I in range
Yeah.
higher limit to
Mm-hmm.
lower limit. Lower limit is 2. It means we have to go up till where? 1.
Yeah, 20 to 2.
Understood? 20 to 2 nahi.
Yeah.
Lower limit is 2 na. So we have to go 1 na.
So we go 1. Fine. But
One step.
then, acha, because it's 21, so 20 to 2. Fine.
See, if we go from left to right, we have to take it as
Yeah.
a what? 21. One step ahead. If we have
Yeah,
to
so then it's
go
one step
from
less also.
here also it is what? We are going one step ahead. It is -11.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
And here what we are
Hmm.
doing? We are doing -2. Every time we are
Hmm.
doing what? -2. So here it will be -2. Then we have to write
Okay.
what? Print I. Understood why we are taking 9 here?
Yeah, I
Just
got it. Because the 10 numbers, so then we write 9, and then over here we've written 21 and 1 because it's one more and one less.
this is known as what? Index number.
Yeah.
Okay? This is what
Yeah.
your index number. Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Write it down, otherwise you will forget again.
Okay, so what do I like define it as?
This is a for loop, na? This is also
Yeah.
comes under the category of array.
Yeah. Index number.
So this is what? This is your name of your array.
Yeah.
Okay? This is your what? Size of array. And this is what? Data type of array.
Yeah. Got it.
Now I'm teaching you data type so that it will be easy for you to understand.
Yeah.
And you will never forget.
I wrote it down.
It's easy peasy, na?
Hmm.
See here, data type. Actually, it is a 5, but right now you are having only 3. Okay. You might have
Yeah.
seen that we are writing print nil in Python programming or any of the programming. Print nil. So nil is written in what? Inverted codes.
Yeah.
Whatever the thing we are writing in inverted codes, that comes under the category of what? String.
Yeah.
Okay. This you can see this curve bracket. This curve brackets is known as what are things are there? Tuples. But you have what
Yeah.
things? Numbers. Okay, I'm teaching you the tuples also. These are known as
Okay.
what? Tuples.
Yeah.
Okay. You might have seen that somewhere it is written like this, not print A. Uh, you might have seen, maybe you have seen in square brackets in some of the, just like if you see the WhatsApp also. In
Yeah.
WhatsApp code is also done in the Python programming itself. Sarah is
Okay.
also waiting. Okay. So, in that code also, you might have seen the square brackets
Yeah.
were 22, nil, all these things,
Yeah.
54. This is known as what your list. So, list is also one of your data type where we are using a square bracket. In tuples,
Yeah.
we are using the curve bracket. Okay. In suppose, say, numbers are there. List and tuples, I don't think so you have. Numbers
Yeah.
are there. In a number, either we are writing 22, either we are write 22.50, either I will write 22 plus a 5i. This is known as what? Integer. This is known as what? Float. And this is known
Yeah.
as what? Complex. So this all comes under the category of what? Your number. That
Okay.
is
Got it.
understood now. That is
Yeah.
integer, float, and complex. Complex is not in your syllabus up till class 12. It is in engineering.
Yeah. Fine.
Okay. Now, if you don't want to write any of the thing, I don't want int, I don't want float to write. Okay.
Yeah.
That time in Python, we are using what? Eval.
Hmm.
Right now, you are not using Python, you are using only pseudocode. Okay.
Yeah.
That time we are using eval. Eval is not in your syllabus right now. So this part is clear. What is integer, float, complex, string, tuples, list. And there is one more thing is that this is known as dictionary. Only these data types are there. Dictionary
Yeah.
is writing as A is equals to, in the curly braces we are writing. 1 is to suppose nil.
Yeah.
2 is to suppose TCTES. This is known as your key whose value is nil. Just like in your dictionary, if you want to find out excited meaning, I don't know the
Yeah.
meaning of excited. So I will use what? E first. I will not use
Yeah.
the turn the pages, na? A, B, C, D, all the things. We are going to
Yeah.
the where?
Yeah.
E, then X, then C, then
Hmm.
I, then T, then E, then D. So this is
Yeah.
what? This is my key, whose value is what? Written the meaning of your excited.
Got it.
That is known as value. So this come under the category of what? Dictionary. So dictionary come under the braces in which one is key and another is your value. So this is your
Yeah.
data type, and this data type you will study up till class 12.
Hmm.
Okay?
Got
Because you
it.
are having Java in next class.
Yeah.
Next
Yeah.
session you are having Java. In Java also you will do the same thing.
Yeah.
Because data type in the process in the computer, it is only this 5. That's it.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
this part is
I got
clear
it.
because you are making a confusion here. Any doubt?
No, I've gotten it now. No, I've gotten it
Now
now.
you will never forget, right? I
Yeah.
think
Yeah.
so. Very good.
I'll remember now. Won't check my notes.
Yeah. So this is a
Okay.
simple thing. So because only 3 numbers are there, only 2 numbers that you are having a syllabus, either whole number, either decimal number. For decimal, we
Okay.
are not writing, we are writing it float. And for whole number, we are simply saying as an integer.
Okay. Got it. Fine.
Correct?
I remember now. Yeah.
Okay. So my next class time is also there. So just
Okay,
let
ma'am.
me
Yeah.
know. Okay, Bittu.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll
Chalo.
do that.
Bye, Bittu.